Kaseng National People's Party, kabade kaseng san perthai kabalai lam khamat ya ka sarkar Jylla ha Meghalaya, da ka jingtemu bandang penyar bat ban penskam syushu ya ka jingilam hapo ka Jylla, ha ka tayo ka baladap, kata ha ka arphon rup tarik ubnai November arajar arpho, kala Pynlong ya ka Jingiakynduh ka ba kerpang Jong ki Samla ka Jylla, ha ka ba ya kene ka Jingiakynduh la Pynlong ha Williamnagar ha Garo Hills. Nakaliang kinong yalam jong kene ka seng san perthai ki bakentup naka Shillong City bat kum juru kiwe ki district ki bana Khasi Hills bat Janta Hills kilami nanong ba Shillong ban lecha kene ka Jingiakynduh jong ki Samla ka seng NPP ka balatip kum ka National People's Youth Front.
Welcome you, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Kum ka jing aiman sim bat ban penpau ya ka jinglong scam jong ka seng NPP hari khasi ba Janta Hills kine kinong yalam ka seng kilalet ban chimbenta ha kate ka Jingiakynduh jong Samla ka Jylla ki bala penyaso ilade bat kate ka seng san perthai. Nakaliang kinong yalam kate ka seng na Garo Hills ru kila penpau ba kane ka Jingiakynduh kan long ka jingpen scam bat ka jingpen kre ru ya shibun ba ki kam ki badon kam ban le na ka benta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ka parti bat kham tam na ka benta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki pajba ka Jylla baro kawai. Hakane kasngi lawan ban yashim bentaru da national president ka parti NPP ubolong ru hakaju kapor u menteri rangba ka sarkar Jylla Meghalaya u Konrad ke Sangma. Nangta ujim Sangma ubade national secretary ka parti NPP ubolong ru hakaju kapor u menteri ka sarkar Jylla Meghalaya. Nangta uba Niki Nongklau ubade national working president ka parti NPP ubolong ru hakaju kapor u state youth president jong ka parti. Nangta uba Perman Bhawar Solang ubade chief organizing secretary ka National People's Youth Front Markus N Marang ubade MLA ka Williamnagar ubade ru chief whip jong ka parti. Nangta seng momen ubade treasurer ka Npyf nangta kiwe de kinoilam ki bahakmat jong ka parti bat kum juru ki Samla ka Jylla ki belong kinoilam kane ka parti. Nalor kiwe kinoilam nari khasi ba Jantia nari Boy district pat usamla pendap lang walang usamla poi penhun ronghang usamla bining roy lapang bat sangut kiwe pat kilelet ban mi khmat ya ka district riboy.
People praised, everyone was attacking our sergeants, but we were silent. By then, some of our people were also a bit confused whether the party is disintegrated, but practically not. We are so disciplined, we are so, law-abiding party workers, party leaders, in the party. So therefore, this is the right platform that we should stand and we should answer to our oppositions. Ansing yanonin chakade agana nangano. Ansing ni dakbali nako defend kana nangano. Angin ko discuss kainga na youth run.
State to be part of this particular state level Npyf meet that has been organized by the Npyf committee. I would like to thank the Npyf for the initiative that is being taken by them to hold a meeting and hold these kind of training programs in different parts of the state. In fact, before this also, the Npyf has been having many programs in different parts of the state, and I think this is a very positive message to the youth of our state when they see that the youth organizations are taking initiative to organize the youth, mobilize the youth, and more importantly take up issues that are related to the youth of our state. I've seen that in the past the Npyf has organized training programs on social media and on how to organize the campaigns on social media and how to create different kind of messaging in social media. And I think these are very important aspects when it comes to today's political arena. Like that, there are many other issues that are very important, and the youth need to be made aware about this. And more importantly, there needs to be a platform through which they can then connect to each other and take up those issues. So therefore, what Npyf is doing is providing that platform and that opportunity to be able to do all these works that the youth should be doing. Having said that, we must realize that the youth plays a very important role when it comes to social aspects of the state and also when it comes to the political aspect of the state. And the voice of the youth in politics is very important because it is through your intervention and through your voice that we will be able to create policies as a government that will then facilitate the working for the youth in the future. I was just coming back from laying the foundation stone for Williamnagar College, and I was telling them that we need to create policies so that more infrastructure comes out because there is not enough room and not enough seats in colleges and in higher secondary schools for our children to study. I was giving example only of East Garo Hills, that there are only 800 college seats out here in our district, whereas there are 20,000 youth who are in the age of college going age, 20,000 of them. And there are only 800 seats, which means less than 5% seats compared to the population of the youth who are college going age. So how can we expect our youth to get an opportunity to be able to study in a good college if there is no space for them? So government needs to come out with more colleges and more seats so that our youngsters can get the right education, because it is through education that we'll be able to create a stronger and a more productive youth force for the state and for the country. So a simple example like that, and I think it's important that in programs like these, in the Npyf programs, the youth must become aware of this, and you must discuss these issues, you must debate on it and find out ways and means on how you can propose and work with the government and give us suggestions on how we can move forward. So therefore, it's a very great initiative. I'm very thankful to Mr. Nicky Nongklao and his entire team our president, our working president of the Npyf Meghalaya State, for having taken this great initiative.
The first book of Timothy, chapter 4, verses 12. It says, "Let no one despise you for your youth, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, in purity." Unquote. This is such a beautiful verse from the Holy Bible, which really lays down what our role as the youth of today. Despite all the challenges that we face in life, despite all the difficulties that the youth are facing today, like unemployment, like COVID, like the insecurity that we face, what will happen in the future. Despite all of this, this verse from the Bible really tells us what we need to do. And I'm so proud of the fact today that the Npyf is leading by example. That we must set the believers an example in speech. But all of us, the Npyf, especially our spokespersons, Mr. Marcus Marak and the rest of our spokespersons, we have shown that we will not respond to such kind of baseless allegations with the same kind of bitterness, hatred. We are setting an example that we will always be gentlemen. We will always remember that today we are here to serve the people. And whatever is said against us, we will respond, yes, because all these allegations are baseless, but we will do it in a proper way.